morning, everybody. This is Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your Friday fun weather update. Okay, we have a lot to talk about, but I'm not going to make this a long update. I'm going to kind of give you the nuts and bolts. All right, this is brutal cold. The winds have been pounding all night, and we're not going to make it to 32. There's no way. So 19 temperatures in the teens at night. Then our system coming in on Sunday. Okay, if you took this literally, that's 5 to 10 inches of snow. And I'm going to show you something that pretty much equates with that. So let's go to that graphic because that's pretty much what I want to show you. Okay, so I want to give you kind of like a timeline here. All right, don't concern yourself more with the blues are is the snow, and the pinks are the mix, and the green is obviously rain with this system. And you have there's a few things we need to understand is that this system is sorry, I think either I'm getting a cold or I have like a nasal cold. Um, okay, so what's our system is coming in like this and then transferring energy somewhere off the Virginia Capes. Now, there's a couple of scenarios here which I want to kind of describe. Okay, so let's go through the timeline. So this is midnight Saturday night. The system is basically on our doorstep. Okay, so I mean, this thing's 54 hours out, so this thing's right on us. Sorry. All right. So here's Sunday morning. The system is it's here. It's here. Sunday morning. Here is Sunday afternoon, and it's starting to snow mostly in lower Delaware, places in DC, um, pretty much in this entire block of area. Maybe it's started to flurry in the northern part of Delaware, but still not all the way here yet. Okay, now this is Sunday night. Okay, so now the transfer has taken place. Now models have come in a little bit further south and east. Okay, so what that means is technically most of the precipitation, the bulk of it is further south. Okay, it's like mostly here, right? The the farthest northern tier of this, pretty much, in terms of substantial snow, is right along this parallel. Okay, all right. So let's go through the time frame again. Uh, this is Monday morning. This is Monday, still Monday morning, Monday afternoon. Now, what it's doing is It's starting to pivot. Okay, um, it's starting to sort of start a looping. Okay, so when it starts to pivot, that means the bulk of the moisture goes with it. Now, the further south and east it is, that's not really that great of a situation for us. Well, for lower Delaware, yes, it is. For um, for areas um, right along here, the Mason Dixon, DC, Baltimore, it's in a good spot. For places north, I would say generally if you're in this general region, you're going to get anywhere between 5 and 10 inches. Okay, let's just say. So let's go through the time frame again. Okay, so this is Monday afternoon. This is Monday night. This is Tuesday morning. And by now, the system's up in New England. We're going up to New England. We're getting some backlash snow. And then this is this is Tuesday night, folks, and it's still snowing. Okay, so total wise, the way I'm looking at this is anybody in this general area is going to get 5 to 10 inches. So basically, the whole state of Delaware, southern New Jersey up to about Trenton, um, Philadelphia and suburbs, I would say probably in that same general region, and DC and Baltimore area, and the Delmarva and Eastern Shore of Maryland. So that's this is generally where I'm coming in at. My if I were to make an early call, this is what I would say. So um, we still have today's runs. We still have um, part of Saturday, but generally this is probably where I'm saying it. It it's in between, sort of further south and east, and a little bit closer to the coast. It's kind of that's where my forecast is. Otherwise, enjoy your day, and I'll be back later today. So enjoy your fun Friday. Brandon Doherty, Diller Weather Guy, saying adios.